Is your Windows 11 search bar gone, or is it not pulling up any results? Then here's how to fix it. So to start, as a rule of thumb, restarting your PC can fix a surprisingly long list of problems. As such, before you perform any other steps in this video, reboot your system and see if that helps. But if that did not work, try to enable it first by going to Settings, select Personalization, choose Taskbar, and make sure that the option next to Search in the Taskbar item section is enabled. Moreover, update your Windows to the latest version by opening Settings, go to Windows Update, and then choose Check for Updates. Now if Windows finds any new updates, you will see an Uninstalled Now option. Next, restart Windows Search Bar process by opening Task Manager, switch to Details tab, then look for a process called searchhost.exe and select End Task. Now once you have ended the task, click on the Search option in the Windows 11 taskbar. Last on the list, if your Windows Search Bar still does not work, restarting Windows Search Service may fix the issue. So do it by opening Services, look for a service called Windows Search, double-click on it, click the Stop option, and once the service stops, click on the Start option. So those are the possible solutions if your Windows Search Bar is not showing or working in Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.